Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Easy English with Podcast. I'm Lily, and in today's episode, I'll be speaking only in future tenses. That's right, everything I say will be about the future. I'll share my future plans in different parts of my life, my work, my travels, my health, my hobbies, and my biggest dreams. The goal of this lesson is simple. I want you to hear and feel how future tense sounds in real, natural English. You'll learn how native speakers talk about what will happen, what they plan to do, and what they hope to achieve. You can just relax and listen, or if you want to improve even faster, try shadowing me. Repeat what I say as I speak. This helps your brain think in English and helps your mouth move naturally. Ready? Let's start talking about the future. Let's begin with one of the most important parts of my life, my work. In the future, my career will change a lot, and I'm really excited about that. Right now, I'm an English teacher and podcast host, but in the next few years, I'll grow my online school into something much bigger. I'll create a place where learners from all over the world can study English together. A friendly, supportive community full of lessons, practice, and real conversations. Next year, I'm going to launch a new online platform with short daily lessons, video classes, and live speaking sessions. By the end of the year, I'll have produced over 200 lessons and helped thousands of students. I'll also start a beginner-friendly podcast focused on daily English conversations. I'll speak slowly and clearly so everyone can follow easily. Each episode will include useful expressions, dialogues, and simple exercises. Another exciting goal, I'm going to publish a book. It will be a practical guide on learning English through small, consistent habits. I'll teach learners how to build daily routines, practice speaking regularly, and stay motivated. I'll complete the first draft by next summer and publish it before the year. In the future, I'll also collaborate with more teachers to create new courses on vocabulary, pronunciation, writing, and listening. My travel plans. I absolutely love traveling, and I'll visit many new places in the future. There's still so much of the world I haven't seen, and I'll make sure to explore as much as possible. Next summer, I'm going to visit Japan and stay there for about a month. I'll explore Tokyo, taste delicious Japanese food, watch traditional shows, learn basic Japanese phrases, and spend a few peaceful days in the countryside. After Japan, I'll travel to South America, starting with Brazil. I'll learn about their culture and traditions. Each year, I'll try to visit at least 2 new countries, walking through old cities, talking with local people, and discovering new lifestyles. By the end of the next 10 years, I'll have visited more than 30 countries. One of my biggest dreams is to travel around the world slowly, without rushing, maybe for a whole year. I'll start in Europe, then continue through Africa, Asia, Australia, and South America. I'll see deserts, mountains, jungles, and oceans, and I'll keep a travel diary to remember every moment. I'll also travel for work, giving talks about language learning, visiting schools and universities, and meeting teachers and students worldwide. These experiences will inspire me and help me grow as a teacher. Traveling will teach me about people, new cultures, and different ways of thinking. It will make my life richer and more colorful. Flex biceps my health. I want to live a long, healthy, and energetic life, so I'm going to make some big lifestyle changes. Starting next month, I'm joining a gym. I'll exercise 4 times a week, weight training on Mondays and Thursdays, running on Tuesdays and Fridays, and yoga twice a week for flexibility and relaxation. By the end of the year, I'll have improved my fitness a lot. My diet will change too. I'll eat more vegetables, fruits, and whole grains, and I'll stop eating junk food and sweets. Every morning, I'll drink a big glass of water and eat a healthy breakfast. I'll also cook more meals at home. Sleep will be another priority. I'll go to bed earlier, wake up at the same time every day, and sleep for at least 8 hours each night. Good sleep will help my body recover, improve my focus, and lift my mood. I'll also care for my mental health. I'm going to meditate every morning for 10 minutes and spend more time outdoors to feel calm and balanced. One of my goals is to run a half marathon. I'll train step by step, and in about 2 years, I'll be ready. By then, I'll have built strong habits and will feel confident both physically and mentally. Brain quick grammar review. Let's quickly review what we've learned so far about future tenses. Will is used for decisions, promises, and predictions. I will travel to Japan. I will run a marathon. Going to is used for plans or intentions. I am going to start a business. I am going to buy a guitar. Present continuous is used for future arrangements that are already decided. I am meeting my team next week. I am traveling to Japan next summer. Future perfect shows something that will be finished by a certain time. By 2035, I will have taught 1 million students. By the end of the year, I will have read 12 books. Artist palette, my hobbies. Life feels more beautiful when we learn new things and enjoy our hobbies. One of my goals is to learn the guitar. I'm going to buy one next month and practice for 20 minutes each day. I'll start with simple chords and songs, and by the end of the year, I'll be able to play several pieces. I'll also learn to cook new cuisines. Each month, I'll try something different: Italian, Mexican, Indian, or Thai. I'll follow recipes, experiment, and invite friends over for dinner. Another plan is to read more books, at least one every month. Some will teach me about science. Others will take me into imaginary worlds. By the end of the year, I'll have read 12 books and learned a lot. I'll also spend more time on creative activities like painting and writing. I'm going to start painting again, landscapes and abstract art. Maybe one day, I'll even have a small exhibition. I'll also keep a daily journal and write short stories. Writing will help me express my thoughts and boost my imagination. Learning new things will keep my mind sharp, creative, and happy. Glowing star, my big dreams. Finally, let's talk about my biggest dreams, the goals I'll work toward for many years. One of my dreams is to build a language learning company that helps millions of people speak English with confidence. It will include online courses, podcasts, books, and live events. I'm also going to write another book about language learning and motivation, showing how small daily habits can transform your skills. I'll share inspiring stories of students who change their lives through English and show how learning a language can open new doors. I'll speak at international conferences, giving talks about learning, motivation, and self-development, and I'll encourage others to follow their dreams. Speaking head, now it's your turn. Now it's your turn. Think about your own future. Use these forms to describe your plans. Next year, I will move to a new city. I'm going to learn a new language. By 2030, I will have visited 10 countries. Say them out loud. Repeat them again and again. The more you talk about your future, the easier it will be to use future tenses naturally. Listen to this episode again and shadow along with me. Thank you so much for listening today. I hope this episode helped you understand how to talk about your future plans in English. Remember, the future isn't something that just happens. It's something you create. Every plan, every dream, every goal starts with words. And now you have the words to talk about your future. Until next time, keep practicing, keep shadowing, and keep dreaming. I'll be here with you in the next episode of Easy English with Podcast. And I promise, the future will bring many more lessons, stories, and conversations. Take care, my friends.